Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a heater core. A failing heater core can be a real nuisance, often indicated by a sweet, syrupy smell inside your truck's cabin. You might also spot coolant puddles on the passenger side floorboard or experience a constantly foggy windshield. This repair is quite involved, typically taking several hours, so make sure you have a full afternoon free. Before you begin, gather all your tools and a brand new heater core. Before diving in, safety first. Disconnect your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. Next, you'll need to drain the cooling system completely to avoid a messy coolant spill inside your cabin. This is a crucial step. The most time-consuming part is often removing the entire dashboard assembly and its surrounding trim. Take your time and remember to label every electrical connector and fastener you remove. This will save you a lot of headache during reassembly. Once the dashboard is out of the way, you'll gain access to the heater core housing, usually located deep within the HVAC assembly. You'll need to disconnect the two coolant lines that feed into the old heater core. Be prepared for a small amount of residual coolant. Carefully slide the old core out, noting its orientation. Then, gently insert your new heater core, making sure it seats perfectly within its housing. This step requires a delicate touch. With the new heater core in place, it's time to reverse the process. Reconnect all the coolant lines and meticulously reattach every electrical connector you labeled earlier. Carefully reinstall the dashboard and all the interior trim pieces, ensuring everything clicks back into place. Finally, refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-specified coolant. Start the engine, bleed any trapped air from the system, and thoroughly check for any leaks around the new heater core connections. Enjoy your warm air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.